Hi friends, welcome to my channel Programming with RS. Today I came with one more update from Telangana Interboard. So there is a chance there is a online exam which is a mock test. Mock test is going to be conducted for EAMCET-JEE and NEET. So the Interboard has given a relaxation for any state student can register and they may write the exam so that they will get shine. So they are given the information the main coordinator, the Chitra Ramachandran is given the information about this. So if you are if you are interested, then you can register in tscie.rankr.io. So by using this link, so I will provide this link in description box. By using this link you can register for the online exam like mock test. So ఈ మార్క్ టెస్ట్ వల్ల ఏమవుతుందంటే, సో యూ విల్ హ్యావ్ యూ కెన్ హ్యావ్ ఏ ప్రిపరేషన్ ఫర్ ఒకసారి ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకొని మీరు ఎగ్జామ్కి ముందు అటెండ్ అవ్వచ్చు. సో ఇట్ విల్ బీ బెటర్ ఫర్ యువర్ the main exam. So I want to convey this information from my side. Please share this information to maximum people and please subscribe my channel if you are watching for the first time. Thank you all of you.